in SAP and 5 years of experience in domain. So I'm having multiple module experience like MM, PP and SD. So I had involved in so many implementation, support and rollout projects in SAP. Okay. This is my brief experience. Can you tell me about yourself?
Sorry, say that one more time. That
No.
last. What's your question?
Yeah, can you tell me about yourself?
Sorry, there's lots of background noise.
That's fine.
So I told you about my background. I'm having 13 years of experience in SAP.
No.
I'm saying there's lots of noise.
Noise,
No.
Srinath. No, it's fine.
No, noise is not there. Anything is not there here. Okay.
Some door noise is coming ready.
No.
Okay. Now it's fine. Go ahead, James.
Yeah, what was your question to me? Just your last question.
Yeah.
He wants your
Hello?
introduction, James.
Can you tell me about your background and all those things? In
You want
which
to-
type of domain you are working?
The simple question is, he want an introduction of yourself, James. He want to know your experience, your working knowledge.
Okay. Well, I've been in and out of the workforce for over probably 30 years, and I have been away from the workforce for about 6 years.
Okay.
But in that time, I've spent 5 years on a Bond ERP system with, doing a manufacturing engineer job and planning and scheduling, and I've done other software that resembles, I don't know whether it resembles SAP or Bond, but it's what the Boeing Corporation used, and I did materials management there also. And so, I've been so many different places, and I can't say precisely what software they use. It could be adapted software for all I know. But the only reason I mention that is not so much that I want to get into the exact same position and I want to do that exact same thing. I feel I have the comfort level to understand what the software wants me to do for a job that I can get placed at. Because placement is what I really want to get. I really want to get placed.
Definitely.
So it's not so much I want to do the exact same thing. It's just that gives me some kind of background and a frame of reference, so that I'm cognizant of what we're talking about.
Yeah.
So already you had MM experience in material management experience in Bond side, right? You have worked in Bond side, right?
Yes, Bond, and I can't remember a lot of SAP. So that's the problem is even if I wanted to get back in MM, it's been a long time since I've done SAP, so I have very limited remembering of SAP. So I don't know whether there were some similarities between the two or what. But that's not so much important is whatever software, since I'm essentially starting over, I want to get into a software and a function that I can get placed.
Okay.
Yeah. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Ready? So we can start off the session. I'm just sharing, make you as a presenter. You can start the session.
Okay.
Just share your screen so that James will be much helpful for him to understand.
Right now my screen says waiting to view sprint nav ready screen.
1 second, please. Are you able to see my screen?
I do not see, there, I got it. I'm looking. I see it.
You see it?
Yes.
So first of all, what is SAP Gems?
What do I see?
What is SAP?
What is it? What is it I see?
What is SAP?
What is a CP?
SAP. What is SAP?
Oh, SAP. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You know, I don't know. I've never known what the acronym stands for.
See, SAP means System Application and Product in Data Processing.
Okay.
So why client is preferring SAP for more nowadays? Due to two reasons: standard functionality and integration functionality. Standard functionality means there are nearly 60,000 to 70,000 standard reports, inbuilt reports in SAP. Okay, it's an automated functionality. Integration functionality means, for example, MM can be integrated with, like material management can be integrated with your finance, okay, and controlling. It can be integrated with your sales and distribution. It can be integrated with your CRM, customer relationship management. MM can be integrated with HR. Okay, so it's having better integration functionality. Okay, comparing to other ERP modules. Okay, that's why client is preferring SAP more nowadays comparing to other ERP modules. Okay, so comparing to other ERP packages, client is this SAP is having more advantages. Okay, so that's why client is preferring SAP more nowadays. Due to two reasons only, is preferring SAP. Number one is standard functionality, and number two is integration functionality. Okay, so while coming to SAP, you need to know various organizational structures. Okay, like FI organizational structure, MM organizational structure, SD organizational structure, and logistics organizational structure. So why you need to know all this organizational structure means MM is integrated with different modules, material management. Okay, so finance organizational structure in SAP consists of client, company, company code, business area. Okay, what is client? Client is an independent organizational unit which consists of configurations and database tables. Configurations means whatever you create in SAP, those things are called as configurations. Okay, either Oracle, either Born, either SAP. If you create anything, it will be reflected in database tables. Okay, company is a legal entity. It's a thing or a place. Okay, so let's say, for example, if I am having XYZ company, under XYZ company, I am having different businesses like manufacturing, retail, and services. Okay, so in SAP, what I will do for these three businesses, I will create three company codes. Okay, so company code is equal to what? One business. Company code is useful for storing different businesses of a company. Okay, let's say, for example, ABC company is having 20 businesses. I will create 20 company codes in SAP. Okay. Next, business area. Business area is useful for generating financial statements according to different branch wise, like Texas and New Jersey branch wise. Okay, let's say, for example, if you are having if my ABC manufacturing business is widespread in Texas and New Jersey, Business area is useful for generating financial statements of ABC manufacturing business according to Texas branch wise and New Jersey branch wise. Okay. MM organizational structure. MM organizational structure consists of purchase organization, storage location. Okay. Basically, what is MM? MM deals with purchasing of raw materials from your vendors for manufacturing a finished product. Okay. So MM organizational structure consists of purchase organization and storage location. Purchase organization is useful for looking up all your purchasing activities. Okay. There are three kinds of purchase organizations. Number one is corporate specific, number two is company code specific, number three is plant specific. Corporate specific purchase organization deals with international business. Company code specific purchase organization deals with local business. Plant specific purchase organization deals with branch wise business. Number three is storage location. Storage location is useful for storing goods in godown. Next.
Is useful for what?
Storing the goods in godowns.
Good ones?
Godowns means like it is similar to your warehouse.
Okay.
Next, SB organizational structure. SB organizational structure. What is SB? Sales and distribution. Okay, sales and distribution deals with the selling of your finished product to customers. Okay. SAP SB organizational structure consists of sales organization, distribution channel, division, sales area, sales office, and sales group. Okay. Sales organization deals with selling activities. Distribution channel is useful for promoting your sales. It is a way of increasing your sales. It is a kind of advertisement. You can increase sales through the wholesale, direct sales. Okay. Next, division. Division denotes the profitability of different products. Let's say, for example, if I am having ABC retail business, okay. In ABC retail business, I am having food product and cosmetic products, okay. Division denotes the profitability of ABC food products and cosmetic products, okay. Next, sales area. The combination of sales organization plus distribution channel plus division is called as sales area. Next, sales office. Sales office deals with branch-wise business. Sales group deals with sub-branch-wise business. Okay. Next, SAP SD organizational structure. It's over. SAP logistics organizational structure. SAP logistics organizational structure consists of plant, location, okay, shipping point, loading point, transporting planning point. Okay. Plant is a manufacturing unit where goods can be manufactured or produced. Okay. Location, the place where plant is located is called as location. Okay. Shipping point denotes the mode of transport through which ways you are transporting the goods, through railways or roadways or airways. Okay. Loading point, the place where goods can be loaded is called as loading point. Transporting planning point designs the route from where to where you have to transport the goods. For example, if you want to transport the goods from New Jersey to Texas, okay, transporting planning point will design the routes from New Jersey to Texas. Okay, these are all various organizational structures you have to know before coming to SAP. So, hello.
Yeah, I'm here.
James, you're having any doubts?
No, I mean, you've just presented me with general information. No, I you know, that's, tell you the most informative thing you said was I never knew what SAP meant. But yeah, I've seen that kind of layout, those definitions before.
Okay, you are okay with that?
Yeah, I'm hoping that I get some actual live examples to work with.
Okay, so you need to know all these screens before coming to SAP. Okay, you need to know various organizational structures. In BAN, you are having all these organizational structures.
Yes.
Okay. So I think anything business is similar, but the thing is technology will be different, like BAN or SAP and all those things. Okay. Some standards reports will be available in BAN and some standards reports will not be available in SAP. Right. Okay. So what kind of material management settings you are having in BAN?
Well, you know, there were just primary functions. You know, they were like setting up planned orders and executing orders, and then you know, tracking orders through the system from the planner to the buyer to then on the flip side of that is attaching sales orders to and tracking them and linking them to
why do sales orders will come in MM? Okay, purchase orders will come into MM, right? Okay, sales orders basically it is for finished products. Okay, it will be in SD side, right?
right. But what I'm hoping to get out of the training session is hands-on experience, so that I can actually execute the different functions.
Okay, so these MM. So you will have. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, material management consists of basically purchasing. Okay, what is purchasing means? Purchasing of raw materials, logistics, invoice verification, valuation of inventory, like it's whether it is valuating at standard price or what moving average price. Standard price means the price will be fixed. Okay, moving average price means the price will be fluctuating, changing. Okay. So MM deals with foreign trade and customs, like material master. Material master in SAP means what? Creating of raw materials, like raw materials, semi-finished product and finished products through material master. Okay. So material management deals with inventory management and physical inventory. Okay. Coming to organizational data, okay, in MM, okay, it can be based upon your enterprise structure. Okay, MM organizational structure, as I had explained you in a brief way. Now I will go in very detailed way. Okay, so MM organizational structure consists of client, company code, plant, storage location, and purchase organization. So I told you what is company code. Let's say, for example, if I am having XYZ company, if XYZ company is having 3 businesses like manufacturing, retail, and services, I will create 3 company codes in SAP. Okay, so for one company code I can create several plants. Plant is nothing but for one business I can create for one manufacturing business. So one manufacturing business is equal to one company code in SAP. Okay, so for one business I can create one plant. For one plant I can create different storage locations. Okay, so for one plant I can assign different purchase organizations and all those. In different plants I can assign different purchase organizations. Okay, purchase organization is useful for looking up all your purchasing activities. Okay, there will be 3 kinds of purchase organization. Number 1 is corporate specific. Number 2 is company code specific purchase organization. Number 3 is plant specific purchase organization. Corporate specific purchase organization deals with international business. Okay. Company code purchase organization deals with local business. Plant specific purchase organization deals with branch wise business. Okay. So the purchase, the organizational structure of MM basically consists of client, company, plant, valuation area, storage location, purchase organization, and purchase groups. Okay. So
can you go back one screen?
Yeah. This is MM organizational structure.
No, go back one more. Slide 5. No, slide 4. Let me, hold on, I got to read that. I didn't get a chance to read it. Our static data and are rarely changed. The definition of okay, go ahead. You can flip back to whatever it was, 7 or 8 or whatever it was.
So client, company, plant, valuation area. So
Yeah.
you know what is company? Company is a legal entity. Plant is a manufacturing unit where goods can be produced. Valuation area means in SAP, valuation area is equal to plant. So in valuation area is useful for evaluating your product at 2 levels. Number 1 is at plant level, number 2 is at company code level. Okay. When you evaluate your product at plant level, the transport cost will differ from one place to another place. Okay. So why? Because the plants will be different. The plants will be in different regions. Okay. When you evaluate your product at plant level, okay, the transport costs and taxes will differ from one place to another place. For example, if you take like the BMW car, in Texas will be one rate and New Jersey it will be another rate. Okay. Because the state-to-state taxes will differ from one place to another place. Okay, in New Jersey, the taxes and transport costs will differ from Texas prices. Okay. Next, number 2, valuation area is useful for evaluating your product at company code level also. Company code level, you will have only one business. It will not have different businesses. The business will be one region. Here the transport costs and taxes will not differ from one place to another place. Okay. Next, storage location. Storage location is useful for storing goods in godown. Next, purchase organization. Purchase organization is useful for looking up all your purchasing activities. Okay. There will be 3 kinds of purchase organizations. Number 1 is corporate specific. Number 2 is company code specific. Number 3 is plant specific. Corporate specific purchase organization deals with international business. Okay. Company code specific purchase organization deals with local business. Plant specific purchase organization deals with branch-wise business. Purchase or groups is useful for looking up all your sub-purchasing activities. So here I had explained technically, SAP technical language. Okay, what is company code? Company code is nothing but one business. Okay, so it is useful for representing your financial statements. Okay, in SAP, company code can be represented by 4 characteristics. Okay, so next, valuation area I had explained you. MRP means material requirement runs. It can be done for your raw materials and semi-finished and finished products. Okay. So what is storage location means? It's a production site or distribution center or a central warehouse. Okay. Next, valuation area. Valuation area I told you. So it can be evaluated your product at 2 levels. Number 1 is at plant level. Number 2 is at company code level. Okay. So mainly valuation area is nothing but it is useful for evaluating your inventory values. Okay. Next, storage location. Storage location is a subdivision of plant. Okay, where materials are managed. Okay, raw material like finished products. Okay, and it may be a physical or organizational units. Okay. So next. Purchasing organization, I told you it is useful for looking up all your purchasing activities, procuring activities. Okay, it mainly deals with all your external purchasing activities also. Okay, so under purchase organization you will have different purchasing groups. Okay. So the purchasing you will have buyer groups. Okay, it deals with mainly buying activities. So if you MM can be integrated with warehouse also. You know about anything about warehouse management, James?
Say that one more time.
MM is also integrated with warehouse management. You know anything about warehouse management?
I think I do.
Okay. So you know about what is the difference between extended warehouse management and normal warehouse management?
Extended warehouse management?
Yeah.
I would just guess at what the definition you might be looking for, and it might be goods that are already purchased, but the vendor's still holding. They're
No,
managing. They're
no,
managing their inventory.
no, don't worry. I will explain you afterwards. Just I want to know. I will explain you about warehouse management basics also, because
Okay.
MM can be integrated with your PP, okay, SD, plant maintenance, finance, and all those things, quality management. I will explain you each and everything. Okay. So it's not like BAN or all those things. You have to know all the things. Okay. It can be integrated with different things, not only single module. It can be integrated with your FI, quality management. Okay. So you know what is procure to pay process in material management?
Say that one more time.
Procure to pay process.
Procure to pay process. Okay.
Yeah.
What's your definition?
See, procure to, not I'm asking not definition, I'm asking about flow. First, you have purchase requisition. Okay. So what is purchase requisition? If there is any shortage of raw materials in production department people will rise and request MM people that they were having shortage of raw material, and they will intimate MM people to provide raw material. So they will rise through purchase requisition. Then you will have purchase order. In purchase order, they will mention the terms and agreements, what is the price, how many quantities required. Next, goods receipt and invoice, then invoice receipt. Next, payment to vendor. Okay, this is the procure to pay process. In one also, I think you are having all these things. Hello?
Yes.
So procure to pay process is common in okay, every process. Okay, so I will send you the course content. Okay, John, sorry, James. Hello.
Yes, I'm still here. Are you at a break point here? Because I got a question.
No. I will send you the course content. Okay.
Okay.
Please see the course content. Okay, and get the system access by tomorrow. Okay. SAP system access. We cannot go every day theoretically. So one day the class will be theoretical. Next day I will show you all the things in the system. Okay. So we cannot go continuously every day theoretically. Okay. Please get the system access. Okay. So SAP system access, our training coordinator will provide you the SAP system access. Okay.
We'll do the needful, James.
Say again?
We'll do the needful. We'll provide you the system access. That's what I mean to say. James, you got my point.
I'm having trouble understanding you.
See, I can provide you the system access.
Okay.
Hey James, what I mean to say, please get the SAP system access. Okay.
Okay.
So I will show you the things practically. Okay.
Okay.
Don't think it's today is a demo class, it's a main class only. We'll go ahead. Okay. So whatever I explained you today, tomorrow I will show you in the SAP system. Okay. Okay. I will send you the course content today, MM course content. Okay. Please see that course content. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So if you are having any doubts, you can ask me.
Okay. Right now I've just got a burning question.
Yeah.
Where am I talking to you from?
See, basically I'm from India.
India. Okay. Because on your screen it said it was tomorrow morning.
See, it's they had scheduled the go-to meeting like that, according to your way.
A recurring meeting, James, because we'll be having a regular sessions of demos. So we'll be using the same link for the demo sessions.
Okay. It's just that it said it was tomorrow morning, and it was like 7 or 7:30 in the morning.
For us, it's for Indian time, I mean to say.
Yeah. Okay. And then it said, at the end of it, it said King Saud University.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
I thought maybe that was in Saudi Arabia.
No.
No. It's from India.
Okay.
Our tutor is from India, John.
Okay.
And yeah, go ahead. You have some questions, James?
Well, I mean, this overview and the slides that you showed me all make sense. I find my head really starts kicking in when I look at a familiar screen, or we talk about a familiar transactions, or you know, something that's.
James, the business process is same. Means if you take manufacturing business process, okay, so you have to implement the same things in Born or Oracle or SAP. But the thing is, technology is different.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So SAP is a very flexible technology. Okay, it's having more automated process comparing to other tools. Okay.
Okay.
It's a friendly tool.
All right.
So it's having better integration with the portals like e-commerce, okay, and all those things. Okay. So we can do portal integration also. Okay. So you're having better friendly users with SAP. Okay. So you can do a lot of things.
Well, the things that I want to do are what people are interested in paying.
As per my knowledge, GAN is very much strong in financials comparing to other models, right?
Okay.
GAN is popular for financials, okay, whereas SAP is strong in each and every module like MM, finance, CRM, production planning, warehouse management.
Yes, SAP seems to be the more common amongst all the different people I've talked to.
Yeah. Okay. So what I mean to say, I will send you the course content today. Okay. So please go through the course content. Okay, and we can continue the classes from tomorrow onwards. Okay. So please get the system access. My training coordinator will provide you. Mr. Kumar will provide you the system access. Okay.
Okay.
Tomorrow, just I will show you all the things in this system tomorrow. Okay.
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 Is it
So
okay, James?
Okay.
If anything is there, I'll ring up you, James.
Say again?
If anything is there, we can talk on offline, I mean to say.
Oh, okay.
Okay, James. Okay.
Yeah,
We'll
thanks
meet
for
tomorrow.
your time, James and Srinath.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Okay, have a good day.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
So, bye, James.